Yeah. And it's got the little basket, too, so it's even better than the one Dad had. Because you can pull out the...
You can use it as a steamer, too. I've seen that.
Now I gotta buy some more movies.
You were asking about that one day, and
Well,
I thought, well, that'd be perfect.
Huh.
We'll have a theme this year.
Steve's too. Yeah, this is like all different stuff. Never seen it. Ooh. Fry me some tater tots in there.
I know, isn't that funny that you bought tater tots? I couldn't resist.
I made a new apron.
This is for grilling. Turn it around. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. He says that all the time, so when I saw that, I had to get it. They even had it on sale, actually, so it's cheap.
And this must be some grill stuff.
A grill thingy. Thought you might need a new one.
My grill brush.
I think you need one, don't you?
Scrape it.
That old